Hello, welcome to the video here. This is a video on how to get rid of the maintenance required light that comes on every roughly 6,000 miles on your Honda. I think this applies to most Hondas of the 90s era, 2000s, but the process is pretty simple. The light can be very annoying, especially the nighttime driving, it's very bright. So right here we have it on. There it is, it's staying on. If I were to start the car, you would see it stays on. So what I'm gonna do is show you key out, right? Hold this button down, hold it down, put your key back in ignition, turn to the on position, there we go. Now it's gone. Let's confirm. Take the key out from the on position. Put the key back in. There it is for checking. Let you know the light still works. And now it's off. So again, this comes about every 6,000 miles and very easy to get rid of. A couple minutes. Thanks for watching. Take care. Subscribe, comment, share video, all that. Take care, brush your hair. Bye.